The next step of the treatment is going to be mixing up the enzyme mask, which is going to remove the top layer of dead skin cells due to the papaya in the enzyme. We open up the enzyme mask and you sprinkle into your dish. That is enough for one application. You will then add some water to turn this into a paste. That is the right consistency to now apply onto the skin. So with a brush, you just apply a thin layer of the enzyme onto the tissue. The reason this is such a good way to remove the top layer of dead skin cells is because it will just help to slough off any unwanted cells on the surface of the skin without over peeling or over stripping. It will leave the skin bright, help close the pores, and then helps to aid better penetration of products afterwards. This mask can stay on for a good 10 minutes. You can steam while it's on. Application of the enzyme. What we normally do is leave it on for 5 minutes and it will set. And then with your water, you can wet your hands and then you can massage the enzyme into the skin. Or sometimes we have used in the treatment in the salon, we've used the Clarisonic brush, depending on the skin and the purpose of what you want to achieve. On Daniela's skin today, I'm going to be using a Clarisonic as she has got a top layer of excess keratinization I want to remove. So with my brush, I'm going to wet it with some water and prepare my client that she's going to hear a noise. You're going to hear a noise. Go on the lower setting of the Clarisonic, we gently brush, and this just sloughs off the top layer of dead skin without causing any trauma. It doesn't disturb the pH of the skin, and it actually feels lovely. You only do this for less than a minute. If you feel it gets a bit tight, just add some more water to your brush. What you need to do it for. You will then remove the remaining enzyme with some cotton wool. once you've done this, the skin should feel a lot softer, it's a lot brighter and ready for some of the active agents. One happy skin.